In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Outlook from automatically marking emails as read. If you've ever clicked through your inbox and watched messages lose their unread status before you were ready, this setting will fix that. We're doing this in Outlook on the web, which you can open from any browser. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook website. That will take you to Outlook on the web, where you can access your mail and settings. Once your inbox is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. That opens the Settings panel. In that panel, select Mail to get to the mail-specific settings. Within Mail, find the section labeled Message Handling. This is where Outlook controls how messages are treated as you move through your inbox and reading pane. Inside Message Handling, look for the Mark as Read area. By default, Outlook may mark items as read when you open them, or after a brief delay in the reading pane. To stop that behavior, choose the option that says, Don't automatically mark items as read. This tells Outlook to keep messages in the unread state until you decide otherwise. After selecting that option, make sure to click Save. Saving is important. If you navigate away without saving, Outlook will keep the old behavior, and messages will still switch to read on their own. With that change saved, your emails will now stay bolded and flagged as unread, even if you click into them, preview them in the reading pane, or move between messages. This is especially helpful if you triage your inbox in batches or want to ensure nothing slips through the cracks before you take action. A few quick notes to keep things clear. This guide covers Outlook on the web, and the wording you see may vary slightly depending on your interface, but the Mail, Message Handling, and Mark as Read areas are the key places to look. You can still mark messages as read at any time. Use the toolbar, the context menu, or any method you normally use. The change you made simply gives you full control over when that happens, so Outlook won't make the decision for you. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook on the web, go to Settings, choose Mail, open Message Handling, select Don't automatically mark items as read and save. Enjoy a calmer, more intentional inbox.